I want to make a short video here addressing what I think is a perception out there that all quits are equal. Meaning, if a person quits smoking by going cold turkey, or if a person quits smoking by using a nicotine replacement product and they're off for 3 days, well, all those quits are the same. They have the same amount of validity. There is a huge difference between a person who has gone cold turkey and is off for 72 hours and a person who is using nicotine replacement products and have not smoked in 72 hours. The difference is the people who went cold turkey, they detoxed. They got nicotine out of their system. They are through the peak potential withdrawal period. Some people peak on day one, some on day two, some on day three, some don't have withdrawal at all. But once they get through the third day, they've peaked and it's going to get better and better. People who are using nicotine replacement, hey, if they're using enough nicotine replacement, they haven't even started withdrawal. If they are using a reduced amount of what they're used to, they're basically in kind of a little bit of a chronic withdrawal. It's going to just keep going as long as they're using nicotine. The quits will become equivalent. They will become the same once the people get off the nicotine replacement product, and then they're off as long as a person who went cold turkey. But by that I mean, if a person, let's say they used the nicotine replacement product as prescribed, they used it for 3 full months. Well, a year after a person quits cold turkey and has all nicotine out of their body for 365 days, they've learned how to go through a whole year without having to deliver nicotine. They got through all the rituals that happen in a year without delivering nicotine. Well, they're pretty much in the same state as somebody who quit smoking a year and 3 months earlier using nicotine replacement products and then got off the nicotine replacement products as they were supposed to. And now they've gone 365 days without nicotine. Well, at that point, yes, those quits are the same. They are now over withdrawal. They have learned how not to do the normal routines that will happen in a 365-day period. They still can, both groups can still get thoughts when they encounter new circumstances, but for all practical purposes, their quits are the same now, but not while it's still being delivered, not while nicotine is still in the bloodstream. Those quits are different. The way you get over withdrawal, the way you end being dependent on actively delivering nicotine is by stopping the delivery of nicotine. And then once you do that, all you need to do to stay off of nicotine for the duration of your life is, again, never deliver it through any source that delivers nicotine. And of course, as far as cigarettes, it's just to simply remember to never take another puff.